and Peppa, George. Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please, can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. Joy, don't drink your juice too quickly. Joy drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Can we go out and play now, Mommy? Not a while. Joy has hiccups. But Joy's hiccups have gone, Mommy. Haven't they gone? Haven't they, George? Oh, all right. Oh, you can go out and play, but look after George. Seems to. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm going to throw the ball. Then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. Hiccups in. George, now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. George, oh dear, George. Hiccups are spoiling the game. George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good now. Your hiccups have gone. Peppa cures the hiccup doesn't seem to have working. You have done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue out, and now close your eyes and turn around quickly at 3 times. Peppa knew the cure hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups. I know to clear hiccups, till Piggy must be given a shock. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember it's only a game and it. Remember, just pretend scary. Peppa, you must play so roughy with George. He only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop Joy Hiccups. Joy Hiccups has gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breakfasts of juice. Joy, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink just as quickly as I want to do. I said, go on!